It makes the food freeze.
Yeah. And also it burns your hand.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm using that concrete. What flavor do you want? Caramel, chocolate, or strawberry?
Caramel.
Caramel.
Caramel daw.
Aiden, hold on that picture. Hold caramel.
Actually, it's made out of cereal. And actually,
Oh, sige, you try to eat, try to eat.
Just like this.
I know.
Hindi na ano ah. Pwede mo
Oh, kamayin lang daw, kamayin mo.
Hold it there.
Yeah, just take it. Ito, ano? Ganyan mo lang yan, yan, sige.
Either
Okay.
Ah. Anong gusto mo? Ang gusto
Yan lang po. Ha? Ayun, pagsingil na lang yung kasama ko.
carbonara ka.
Bake mac.
Sa inyo po, sir, ma'am. Scared.
Ay, diretso lang.
Scared na naman.
Wala pa, may sarili na kumuha.
sa may Lasal yung Gagis Food na siya. Oh, nag-ano kami, likod na lang. Dito lang gilid.
Ayun. Oh. Tapos, palagi pa siyang nakangiti all throughout. Oh.
Pagkain niya, crabs lang, na?
Gira, let's go.
No, it has milk. Let me see, let me see. Oh, you taste it na. Taste it. Ha? Okay, taste it. Scramble. Good? First time, no? First time you taste it? We have a feast. The kids. Jaden. Oh, Jaden, what do you have? You have scramble and mojo,
And mozzarella that I already
mozzarella.
because
And this one is the, what's this one? Empanada. Barbecue. Kwek-kwek. Ano yung akira? Kay. Stick. What else we have?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. What? Ha?
Chimichanga, Korean nachos.
Kuya, ano yan? Korean food. What's that? Taiwan food. I have Taiwan food here. The chicken. Ha? Korean sausage. Okay, let's eat fish. Thank God. Hala siya. Care likes that. Or scare.
Don't speak too much of what's been done. And leaving it up to you.
Thanks. Sa may ayos lang mo, lagi ayos na ka na.